Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys lock screen password setting, and today video title is guys how to set lock screen password in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to set lock screen password in Tecno mobile and how to use lock screen password setting. One by one we will talk about. So friends, first of all open your device phone setting. After on phone setting, then how to set password on lock screen. Open your phone security setting, open your phone screen lock setting, select your password type pattern, pin and password. So friends, I will use password, next option, and friends remember your password, don't do any mistake. If you do mistake, you cannot unlock your Tecno mobile, you will have to factory reset. Friends, I will enter my name, password, and friends remember your password spelling, don't do any mistake. If you do mistake, you cannot unlock your device. So friends, off your screen, and friends you can unlock your device. Swipe here, enter password, you can unlock phone. So friends, I will enter password. After enter password, right click here, phone will unlock. So like that way you can set password on lock screen. You can use name password lock in your Tecno mobile. And friends, you don't want to use password, you want to remove password, and you want to change password. So friends, now let's see how to change password in Tecno mobile. Open your phone security setting again. After on guys phone security setting, friends, open your phone screen lock setting. After on guys phone screen lock setting, enter your device password to continue, and friends select new password type pattern, pin and password. So friends, I will use pin password, next option, and friends remember your password, don't do any mistake. So friends, my password is 1234. If you do mistake, you cannot unlock your Tecno mobile. Friends, you can check lock screen password will change. We have new password on lock screen. Swipe here, enter pin password, and you can unlock your device. So like that friends, we can set and change password in Tecno mobile. And friends, you don't want to set password, you want to remove password. Open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting, friends, open your phone screen lock setting, enter your device pin to continue, next option, swipe option, and remove. Password will remove, and friends you cannot use password on lock screen. Your password will remove from lock screen. You can unlock your device without password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.